Good morning. Good morning. In a hurry. I am really in a hurry. I'm not going to do much separating until I get in the car. I'm heading out for a doctor's appointment. And nothing's wrong. It's just my regular doctor's appointment. Going for an exam. And I suggest that you all do that. Go in for regular doctor's exams. Don't wait till things go wrong. And this is a result of shampooing my hair with the Suave shampoo, Suave clarifying shampoo, and then after that, using the purple shampoo. I don't want parts in the back. My 360. Yes.
Did you want this whole drink made with soy milk instead?
I want soy instead, but it's hot.
It's hot. Okay, you put it as ice. Okay.
Oh. Okay.